Boys and girls, today we're going to look at complex sentences. In the learn part, a complex sentence is made up of two related ideas joined by a subordinating conjunction. The following subordinating conjunctions are often used to connect the related ideas. So you have your box here that you are going to be looking for. After, although, because, before, since, until, when, and while. You can combine two sentences with related ideas to form a complex sentence. So you have the sentence, safety tips are useful, and then you have the sentence, they prevent accidents. So you're going to use these two sentences to make them a complex sentence by saying, safety tips are useful because they prevent accidents. Another example, Ed rides his bike. Next sentence, he wears a helmet. When Ed rides his bike, he wears a helmet. Notice that even when the first idea begins with a subordinating conjunction, a comma follows that idea. So we have subordinating conjunction here. You still have the idea is here, just like it is here, and you have the comma. Okay? Next, the practice. Read each sentence. Write complex if the sentence is made up of two related ideas joined by a subordinating conjunction. Write not complex if it is not a complex sentence. Circle the subordinating conjunction in each complex sentence. So for these, once again, if it is complex, if the sentence is complex, then it's two related ideas. Write not complex if it is not a complex sentence. And then we're going to circle the subordinating conjunctions. So in this one, number one, Gary does warm-up exercises before he jogs. So you have the word before. So that tells you that it is a complex sentence. So once again, if it's complex, you're going to write complex on the line as well as circle your subordinating conjunction. Number two, after he finishes his run, comma, you see that, and you see the subordinating conjunction there, he puts on a sweatsuit. So that is also a complex sentence. I want to jump down to number 5 here. Follow along. Mary walks home from school every day. There are no subordinating conjunctions in this, so this is an example of a not complex sentence. All right. Next, we are going to look at the second page. Obviously, 7 through 10 is going to continue with the same directions. I'm going to go to number 8. Carla wears a life jacket in her canoe, although she can swim. And then although needs to be circled because that's your subordinating conjunction, and you need to write complex. All right, now let's go to section B. In this section, it says you're going to underline the two related ideas in each complex sentence. Write the subordinating conjunction that joins them. The first one is done for you, so you have many accidents occur at home. Most people feel safe there. That is underlined in your answer on the line is although because that is your subordinating conjunction. Number 2, the kitchen is especially risky since it is so busy. So you have the word since, that does not need to be underlined, but you have the kitchen is especially risky and it is so busy. And since is written on the line. Number 3, keep kitchen equipment in a safe place until you need it. Until is your subordinating conjunction, and then you have your two ideas, before and after, and then the until, of course, is on the line. Hopefully you have gotten the hang of what's needed here. Make sure that you're going back and referring to the original part here where you have the subordinating conjunctions. This part will help you in remembering what you're going to be looking for to make up that complex sentence.